How to unlock Android phone pattern lock without factory receipts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you have forgotten the pattern lock on your Android phone and want to unlock it without performing a factory reset, you can try the following methods. Method 1. Use Google account for older Android versions. After multiple failed pattern attempts, a forget pattern or forget password option appears. Tap on it and log in with the Google account linked to the phone. Then reset the pattern after successful login. Method 2. Use Find My Device Google. Visit Google Find My Device on another device and log in with the same Google account used in the locked phone. Select your device and choose Secure Device to set a new lock code. Use the new lock code to unlock the phone. Method 3. Third party tools. If above method doesn't work, you can try unlocking tools like Doctor Phone, Screen Unlock, iMyFone, Lock Wiper. These tools often require a PC and might bypass the lock screen without data loss. Lastly, if none of the methods work, you can contact the phone's manufacturer or an authorized service center for assistance. So these methods help you to unlock your phone pattern without factory receipts. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.